Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and these earbuds from TAGRY are so comfortable. These are the most gorgeous earbuds I have ever seen. The green is like an emerald green, and I love it. But unfortunately, I dropped them as soon as I got them. But it did give me a good test of the durability of them. The earbuds were totally fine, and they hadn't even come out of their case. So I have a feeling these are going to last me a really long time. I love that the case keeps my earbuds charged up, and the case charges with a USB-C plug, or they even charge wirelessly, which is amazing. These keep me really entertained at work, so I can easily listen to my music or my podcasts. The touch feature is super convenient. I don't have to know where my phone is, and I can pause, play, and even answer phone calls. For me, comfort was the most important thing. So these do not stick out very far. I can even lay on them, go to sleep, move around, and they're not budging. I really love these. And the case is slim, so it easily fits right in my pocket. And sometimes I forget they're even there. So if you're looking for a really comfy and beautiful set of earbuds, I highly recommend these from TAGRY. And that's my point of view.